When life becomes heavy, your faith feels like it's slipping. But losing faith doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. Every believer goes through moments of weakness, times when prayer feels heavy, times when dua feels empty, times when you question, why is Allah putting me through this? Hardship doesn't break your faith. It exposes it. It shows you where your heart needs strengthening. Allah tests you not to see you fall, but to pull you closer. When life is easy, anyone can believe. But when life is painful, your faith is purified. Sometimes you lose faith because you're overwhelmed, you're exhausted, you're carrying burdens alone, you're dealing with silence from people, or you're hurt by something you didn't expect. Hard times make you question, yes, but they also make you grow. Allah says, "Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Not after hardship, with it. Your heart breaks, but Allah is mending it. Your patience is tested, but Allah is elevating you. Your tears fall, but Allah is watching every one of them." Losing faith for a moment doesn't mean you've failed. It means you're being rebuilt. Whenever you feel your faith slipping, remember, Allah never leaves a heart that calls Him, even quietly, even weakly. Your hardest moments are shaping the strongest version of your faith.